Yes, go, go, go mga ka-smile. Siyempre, narito na tayo sa hotel mga ka-smile, no? At tignan nyo yung scenery, oh. Yan. Ayan. Okay, natapos po namin. Opo, natapos po namin. Mula alas 9 hanggang alas 9 rin ang aming Disneyland. At marami tayong na video mga ka-smile. Go, go, go mga ka-smile. Nag-iisa pa lang ako rito sa kwarto natin mga ka-smile. At syempre, hinanda natin yung ating pamalit. Magsha-shower tayo, mag-hot shower tayo mga ka-smile. Naku, salamat sa Panginoon at it was enjoyable, it was beautiful, it was fantastic. Yun lang. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. It was very tiring kasi ulan-araw, no? Pero para-paraan lang din yan di ba? Pagka medyo mainit-init na, papasok tayo dun sa loob ng mga butik. Kasi malamig po doon, mga ka-smile, no? Yes, mga ka-smile, ang ganda ng ating view, oh. Ayan, oh. O, diba, mga ka-smile? Medyo nag-pack na ako dito ng ating mga, naku, surprise pa naman yan. Ay, mga binili nating mga chocolate. Ayan na, mga ka-smile, no? So, siguro, iba, pupunta pa ng Central o Mongkok. Kasi, mahaba pa naman ang oras namin. Mag-out kami rito ng 11 ng umaga. Check out namin dito sa hotel, guys. And I think we'll be having our buffet and it will be my birthday tomorrow. Diba? Abangan nyo, mga ka-smiles, ko anong magaganap bukas. Yan. Birthday ni Mama Miles at maayos na uli yung bed namin dito. Thank you naman at maayos na yung aming bed, no? Thank you for that. Go, go, go mga ka-smile. And it was really a fun day today. Yes, mga ka-smile. Maganda na nakapasyal-pasyal kami. Ayan, yung kasama ko, mayroon din siyang grocery doon, no? Ayun, no? Diba, mga ka-smile? So, ayan, ang ganda-ganda, diba? Malinis na naman ang aming kwarto. Sobrang, bawing-bawi namin ang araw na ito. Kotang-kota na kami. Yes. Natapos namin yung fireworks, lahat. Yan, mga ka-smile. And I thank God for this because God is good all the time. Talagang hiniling ko sa Panginoon na bigyan niya ako ng lakas ng katawan para ma-enjoy ko ang moment na ito, mga ka-smile. It was really a fun day for Mama Miles, mga ka-smile. Though yung rayuma natin, yung blood sugar natin, nag-spike, nag-down, nag-up. Pero, I just thank God for everyday life, no? So, ganun lang naman talaga, di ba? Lagi lang tayo maging mapagpasalamat sa Panginoon sa mga biyaya na dumadating sa ating mga buhay. At syempre, ating mga paa, everybody has a very, tired feet. O, di ba? Pagod na pagod ang ating mga paa, lalo na sa mga first-timer na maglalakad ng paulit-ulit at lilibutin. You know what? One of the best thing that I enjoy was the Cheddar. It was so beautiful. It was really fun. Guys, ang lalaki ng mga building dito. Hindi ko alam kung may tao ba dyan? Or what? Or ginagawa pa lang ba yan? I really don't know. Oh, guys, nakikita kaya nila kami dito? O tinted ba kaya ito? O, diba, ang dami kong tanong, diba? Ayan, guys, habang nakaupo ako rito, ayan, guys, tignan nyo, Tignan nyo yung na yan, yung building na yan. Ang tataas! Grabe, ganyan katataas yung building dito. Grabe, guys. Ngayon ako nakakita naman ganyan katataas na building. At hindi ko rin alam kung may tao na ba yan dyan sa loob. O, diba? Ang yaman pala mga tao dito sa Hong Kong. Imagine mo, puro diyan sila nakatira. O, diba? O. Tapos super na-enjoy ako doon, mga ka-smile. You know what? Kasi ang dami mga daddy, ang dami mga mommy na family na pasyal. Tapos, they were just like wearing some costumes. Even the mommy were wearing some costumes there. And it was really fun. It was like, fairy. Yeah, it was like a fairy tale. Yeah, everybody's like wearing something very nice, you know. Yeah, I was like amazed with the children, They were just like wearing some costumes. It was really nice. I think this one, may nakita ko naglilinis doon. I think meron ng tao tong area na to. Yes, mga ka-smile. I could see somebody there from down there from the building. Grabe, I'm so amazed na may mga ganitong kalalaking building dito. Just imagine, this is an island and then may ganyang kalalaking building. Imagine that one, oh. Guys, ang daming building, tabi-tabi. O, diba? Yes, mga ka-smiles, we are just taking rest and ninanamnam ko pa ang bawat araw. Yes, everything is so nice. Yes, yun lang yun. Parang lalim ng inisip ko, no? Yun lang pala yung sasabihin ko, so nice. Guys, natuyo na yung buhok ko, oh. You know, when I was there, walking on the streets of Disneyland, hindi ko ma-explain bakit basang-basa yung ulo ko, basang-basa yung likod ko, basang-basa yung buong katawan ko. I can't explain it. This is my first time to experience that. Well, like, even when we're like, we went to, when we went to, what do you call this? When we went to Star City, I've never been like that, you know. Hindi naman nabasa ng yung hair ko. It was still, okay. And, yun, nakawig pa nga ako nun mga guys. Pero, though, lahat pa nga ng mga rides nung nandun kami sa Star City, super na-enjoy ko pa yun, mga guys, ha. Alam niyo yun, di ba? Dahil meron akong video doon na lahat, ay sinakyan ko, pati yung frisbee, lahat, roller coaster and everything. Pero hindi ko pa na-experience na yung buhok ko iba. Super basang-basa yung likod ko, katawan ko, just everything. Parang super totally, I will collapse. I don't know why. I can't believe it. I drink a lot of water. Hydrated naman ako dahil mayroong water akong dala. And also, maraming tubig din doon. May Coke din doon. But hindi ako nakakain, guys. Nag-dinner na ako, yung pagkain ko. Hindi ako nag-lunch. Almost like 5:30 na. Yes, 5:30 p.m. yung lunch ko. Para lang ma-consume ko yung yung Disneyland na food ko. And then the ice cream, that was really fun. Di ba mga ka-smile? So, yun, no? So, buti na lang, kasama ko sila Sir Jeff. Yes, Tenate. Sir Jeff, thank you so much, mga guys, for accompanying me there with you. Yes, sila Ma'am Kat, Sir JR, Sir, yun. Saka isa pang Sir. Yun, di ba? It was really fun. Oo. So, the whole day was really a fun for me. At ngayon, medyo ihahanda na natin yung mga ipapak natin para naman sa ganun. Hindi tayo rush. Mahirap pag-rush. And later, mag-hot shower bath tayo. No? Malinis na yung aming kwarto. As you can see, it was really clean. It was really beautiful, di ba? O, yan na mga guys. I'm gonna show you the city of... Ayan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, oh. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Ayan, oh, ayan. The city of Hong Kong. Yes, thank you guys. Please watch and subscribe with Mama Miles. Maraming salamat sa inyo. To God be the glory, honor, and power, and praise, mga ka-smile. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pag-watch. Please like and subscribe. Mag-thumbs up naman dyan kay Mama Miles. Go. The beautiful city of Hong Kong. I'm enjoying. Thank you so much sa aming boss. Yes, super na-enjoy namin to. The best things in life are free. And keep on praying and believing God is good all the time. Go. So, I just have to rest, okay? See you later. Bye-bye.